Stop by and take a look at 2012 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo with class, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, security system. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.